Goodness gracious, what a mess! Clean up after the 1906 San Francisco, California is no easy task. But fear not, citizens. Histeria presents a dramatic reenactment of the San Francisco earthquake. At this time, we'd like to ask you to turn up the volume on your TV set to its maximum level. Thank you. And now, the dramatic reenactment of the earthquake of San Francisco, California. This has been a dramatic reenactment of a San Francisco earthquake. You may now return the television volume to normal positions. Thank you!